Hong Kong International Airport is an international and regional aviation hub. In order to meet future air traffic demand and enhance Hong Kong's competitiveness, the Airport Authority conducted a 3-month public consultation on its 20 years master plan in the summer of 2011. Opinions on HKIA's future development were collected through various channels, including public forums, exhibitions, seminars, questionnaires and more. Among over 24,000 questionnaires received, 73% of respondents preferred the 3-runway option. At the end of last year, Airport Authority submitted its recommendations to the government to adopt, for planning purposes, the 3-runway option as the future development direction for HKIA. In March 2012, the government approved these recommendations in principle, marking the beginning of the next chapter in HKIA's development. Airport Authority then immediately embarked upon a 3-phase process: project planning, approval, and implementation. During the project planning phase, we will conduct an environmental impact assessment, develop the associated design details for facilities that are required under a 3-runway system, and study funding options. We expect the planning process will take 2 years to complete. Once the planning process is completed and the environmental permit is obtained for proceeding with the 3rd runway, we will finalize the necessary associated design details. This phase of work would last for 1 year or more, which includes obtaining the government's final approval and obtaining approval from the Legislative Council on the financial options. The construction of the 3rd runway and its associated facilities is expected to take about 8 years. During the planning phase, the Environmental Impact Assessment, or EIA, is the main task. We have started the relevant work and will identify the important environmental impacts or issues that may arise during the construction and the operation of the 3-runway system in a prudent and detailed manner. The key areas in the assessment include marine ecology, water quality, air quality, noise, Chinese white dolphins, and fisheries. The Airport Authority earlier pledged to undertake air quality studies under the EIA process by benchmarking against the new air quality objectives, which are expected to come into effect in 2014. We will fully comply with the statutory EIA process in a highly prudent and professional manner, and we will explore every possible way to avoid, minimize, and mitigate any environmental impact that might arise from developing and operating a 3-runway system. Meanwhile, we will look for feasible measures, including mitigation and compensation measures to handle respective issues. We will not underestimate the challenges ahead, and we will continue to communicate closely with our stakeholders along the way, listening to their opinions and working together to develop HKIA for the long-term development of Hong Kong.